Hello everyone, today making the kamikaze. First, you need your vodka. Any vodka is good, Arctic Frost, whatever you have, whatever you prefer. But first, you need 2 ounces of vodka. That's what come out. 3/4 of orange liqueur, whatever orange you have. This is like a shot drink. It's not like a typical kamikaze. If you want to double it, you add double more vodka, double of... Yeah, you get what I'm saying. 3/4 of lime juice. Whatever lime you have, you get this lime. Whatever lime you have that's cheap, you get the Dollar Tree version lime, whatever lime you have. Or fresh lime. If you will use fresh. But you need 3/4. Oh, I think it's the marks. Back to mixing. And you need ice cubes in there too, so if you don't use ice cubes, then this is like a shot. Oh, that came out perfectly. Looks like a foaminess, whatever you prefer. This is a strainer. I'll put the name of the strainer in the kit. And if you want to get this kit too, I'll put it on Amazon. I'll put it in my video. And you pour it like that. It's supposed to be like a greenish lime color, like a lime color. You might not see it, but it's supposed to be like a sour drink, kamikaze, but you're probably going to taste the lime or the orange liqueur more than you can taste the vodka. Most likely vodka is more be like a graininess, grains or potato type of thing, where orange liqueur you can taste the liqueur. I plan to do more in the future, and I hope you like this video. And everyone have a nice day, and have a happy New Year's.